Hello, good morning. Today we are going to learn about how to create accounts on these different three apps that every beginner should have. In our previous videos, tumesoma mambo na theoretic part ya forex trading, but today tunataka tusome how to download, install and set up these apps. Kwa forex trading kuna 3 apps ambazo kila beginner anafaa awe nazo. One is MetaTrader 5, second is TradingView, and third is a broker app. Hizi ndio vitu 3 ambazo unafaa uwe nazo as a beginner. First kuna hii platform ambayo inaitwa MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5, this one is basically for your trading. Okay? It is for your trading. Yeah, this is where you place trades. You can place trades here. Yeah, you can add indicators, you can manage positions. Okay, hapa kwa MetaTrader 5. Yeah, hapa ndio na trade kwa hii platform ambayo inaitwa MetaTrader 5. Okay, kuna ingine inaitwa TradingView. Okay, TradingView, this one is for chart analysis. This one is for chart analysis, TradingView. Okay, this one inakuwa na clear charts. Okay, unaweza confirm your trades, and also you can also learn the market structure. Nini yake inakuwa clear. So this one ukicompare na hizi zingine inakupatia clear view of the market, inakuwa very clear. You also have unakuwa na lines. You can also use the lines to draw your higher lows, high highs. Okay, you can also view the trend of the market. Hapa inakuwa rahisi kuliko hizi hata nini. Hii inaonyeshaga vizuri TradingView. Okay, you also need a broker app. A broker app inakusaidiaga to deposit and withdraw. Hii huwa inakusaidia ku deposit pesa zako ama ku withdraw. Okay, yeah, it is also for account management. Yeah, it's also for account management, na ndio bado inakusaidiaga kulink na MetaTrader 5. Huyu broker app wako ndio inakusaidia kulink up na MetaTrader 5, because huwezi trade huku direct. You have to trade via a broker. Okay, because the reason why you cannot trade here directly is because huna enough pesa yenye inahitajika kutrade hapa. So broker wako anakusanyanga pesa kidogo kidogo ya huyu anakusanya, ndio anakuallow kutrade kwa hii platform ambayo inaitwa MetaTrader 5. Okay, so you need this broker app, and these brokers are kuna FBS, kuna Derive. Okay, kuna Derive, kuna IC Market. Okay, kuna ingine inaitwa Xness. Yeah, so kuna FBS, kuna Derive, kuna IC Market, kuna Xness. Ziko nyingi, there are so many, you can list them the whole day here. Okay, so those are the 3 apps that you should have as a beginner. Yeah, okay, so kwa hii MetaTrader 5, yeah, ukitaka kuinstall kwa maybe ni unatumia simu, unatumia computer ama laptop, ama maybe unatumia iPhone maybe, kuna steps ambazo unafaa ufollow ndio uiweke kwa simu yako. Yeah, kwa kama unatumia Android, you go to Google Play Store, una search MetaTrader 5. You search MetaTrader 5, you install the app with the MetaQuote logo. Okay, unaendaga kwa Google Play Store, you search for MetaTrader 5, install the app, okay? Kwa iPhone, you go to App Store, naenda kwa App Store, una search MetaTrader 5, then you download the app with the meta codes, okay? Haya, kwa PC, unaendaka kwa open app, and then you tap on manage account, tap on the plus sign, log in to your existing account, ama kama huna, you create an account, okay? Okay, you search your broker name, e.g. Derive, Exness, IC Market ama FBS, okay? Alafu now you enter the login details. Alafu naweka password na server sent to you by your broker. Kuna ile server broker atakutumia. So you enter that one and you are good to go. Okay? Hiyo ni MetaTrader 5. Haya, trading view. Kwa trading view, you open Play Store ama App Store. Okay? You search trading view. Alafu unafinya install app, ama unaweza enda pia online kwa site yao ambayo inaitwa tradingview.com. There you search, you register with them. You can also register using Google. Okay, you can also register using your Google account. Okay, sasa ukisha download hii trading view, inside there you search the pair you want. You can change the chart style, the chart type to candlestick. Sana inakuwaga unaweza pata maybe ni zile lines maybe or something, but you can change that to candlestick for better analysis, because with the candlesticks unaweza analyze market vizuri, because inaonyesha rangi ya kama inapanda maybe inakuonyesha green, kama inashuka inakuonyesha red, so you are able to tell what the next move will be. Okay, then you can also add an indicator if you want, and then you can change the time frame. Either change it to 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, whatever. Okay, 1 month. Okay. Haya, sasa kwa broker we have there is this broker. Kama unataka maybe broker, kuna maybe FBS for example, maybe ama Exness ama IC Market or whatever. Yeah. So with that one you go to Play Store ama App Store, you search your preferred broker, even FBS, IC Market or Exness, then you download. Okay, once you download, you create an account with that broker, you verify your emails to your phone. Okay, once you verify your documents, you also create a demo or a real account on that broker. Zile details ambazo watakupea hapo chini, you copy them, those login number, server, password, and then kuna zingine kama FBS inakuambia take me to MetaTrader 5 hapo chini, unafinya hapo, inakupeleka kwa MetaTrader 5. Zile details ambazo umekopi, including the password, server and login number, unaenda unazipaste huko and you are good to go. That's how you do it. Okay.